Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will discuss about how you can sort an array. So array sort method is very simple and very easy. Maybe you know how to sort an array, but here in this tutorial I will show you how you can sort number value and how to sort ascending order, descending order, how to get highest value from an array and how to get lowest value. So guys, let's start. So before showing that, here I have to create an array. So here, and the variable is array, and in this array just I will put some string value because before first of all I will show you how you can sort string. So I will put some string value this. Okay, so this is the array. So now if I sort this array, so here should be the output A, B, C, D. So now I will show you how you can sort this. So before showing that, just I will show you the original value of the array. So I will go to index.html file, and just here I will create a h2 tag, and inside this h2 tag I will take an id. So id is demo, because in this demo id I will show you the original value. So just here I will write document dot get element by id, and the id is demo, which I copied, dot inner html, and inside this inner html just I will put this variable array. Save, and if I refresh, so here you can see the original value. And now I will use sort method. So I will create a button here, because when I will click this button, then I will use sort method. So button type is button, and now here I will write a on click method, and the method name I will write func, and the button name is click. Now I will copy this method name, and just here I will paste, and I will use fetch arrow function. So the syntax of fetch arrow function is this. And now I will use sort method. So I will use sort method in this array. So I will copy this, and the syntax is this array variable name dot sort and parenthesis. And now after using sort method, I will store it in another value. So here output. So in this variable I will store it, and now I will print this variable. So now I will create another h2 tag, id is demo1, because in this h2 tag I will show you after using sort method. So just here document dot get element by id now, and now the id is demo1 dot inner html, and inside this inner html just here I'll put this variable output. Now save. So here is the button, and now if I click this button, so here you can see sort method after using. So the output is A, B, C, D. And now I will show you how you can sort number. So instead of string value, just here I will put some number value like 2, 40, minus 10, 4. So now if I sort this number, so the output should be minus 10, 2, 4 and 40. So now I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, in the same way, here is I will show you the original value. So I will leave it, and now just here in this sort method I have to write a compare function. So I already discussed how you can array sort. So here just I will show you. I will not discuss this in details. If you want in details, so you can watch my this particular video. I will provide this link in description. So here I have to write a compare function. So compare function is just here in parenthesis. So just inside this parenthesis I will take another parenthesis, and just here I will take two parameters a and b and arrow function. This is the function. It's a takes a callback function. So a b, and I use fade arrow function. So here you can see fade arrow function, and that's called compare function. So I already discussed how you can sort number. So if you want to get it more details, so watch my this tutorial, go to description, I will provide the link of this video. And now just here I have to write return a minus b. So now if I refresh, so here is the value, and now you can see the output minus 10 to 440. So this is the sorting. Now if you want to sort as a descending order, this one is the ascending order. Now if you want to sort as descending, so just here b minus a. So it will be sort from highest to lowest. So here you can see. And now I will show you how to get the highest value of this array. So here first of all I will sort it. So here you can see it's showing the highest to lowest. So first one is the highest value. So if I get the only the first value, so I can get the highest value. So the first value is the index 0. So here in this output I can write 0. So now refresh. So here you can see I'm getting the highest value. And now if I write here a minus b, refresh it. So now here you can see I'm getting the lowest value. So hope guys this video is help to you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And if this video is help to you, so please don't forget to like this video, and if you have any doubt, so please write in comment.